Yo, Jesus, yo,
What
chill
side's
out, man.
that?
Chill
What
out.
side's that?
It's cool.
Oh, no.
It's cool.
No.
It's cool, man.
No, it ain't cool.
It's cool.
No, it's not cool.
You knew that was his food. I even told you, no, wait for him to come back in. And you said, no, he wasn't.
Come on, man. What are you, stupid or something? You knew that was his food. You was there when he brought it.
No,
you ate it all. Look at you. Look at your plate. Your plate is full. Your belly, it's full. Look at you. You sloppy fool.
Not taking heed to
Oh, my God.
You're not raised right, brother.
You're a good greedy, stupid hot mess. Look at you. How could you do this?
Come on.
Hey, come on. I was like, what? First barbecue, now Popeyes. Hey, I thought he was looking out for the team. Come on, what do you expect? Yo, it's Jesus. You know, he always coming through with the clutch. You know, he's a man. No one can do it. No one can. You know, it's don't blame me. No, don't blame me. No, it's the devil made me do it.
Everybody always wants to blame the devil.
The devil always want to blame the devil, but you never want to blame yourself. Yo, it's cool. I'm trying to tell you. It's cool. I've already replaced it.
Devil made me do it too, man. I'm guilty.
Check it out, look. I just got a fresh batch straight from the Colonel. I got a 40-piece. Biscuits.
What is wrong with this chicken?
Beans.
What is wrong?
Potato wedges. JoJo's if you want a West Coast.
I don't mind the soft chicken
butter,
skin.
hot sauce, hot wings.
I need some napkins though.
I
ain't
just
get no
used the
napkins,
tablecloth.
but, you know
I'm
what saying?
sorry,
Hey,
Jesus.
I came through. You ain't doing when I do miracles. Come on, what you think, Jesus? What you think? Come on. Did I come through or what?
How you gonna come to my crib with this KFC bullshit acting like it's supposed to replace my Popeyes? It's not equal. I want mad Fortnites to get this here.
I think it's made for gold.
Mad Fortnites. They ain't no Popeyes in Jerusalem.
It can't be.
Man, I'm going over to Africa to get this. And I'm one of those type of people that's gonna wait till I get to the crib, then eat. I got self-control like that. I went outside that door for 10 minutes. Pray to my father that made it here alive. Come back. Y'all ate all my food. And I had barbecue in there for y'all. There's some barbecue in there for y'all. Y'all ate all the barbecue. They all ate my Popeyes.
What you saying to me? It's chicken.
No, it's not. It's not equal. It's not equal. Now I gotta get the book out on you. Hey, somebody get my book. Get my book. It's not equal. Instant. If you had a bull, I had a bull. If your bull killed my bull, we gotta sell your bull and split the money. Then we gotta take my dead bull, split that meat in half, and split it with each other. But take this.